Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you UPS how to calculate shipping cost. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to calculate shipping cost, first what you need to do is gather your package details. UPS needs 4 main things to give you an accurate price. First is origin, zip or postal code, destination zip or postal code, and next is package weight, and next is package dimensions. So in order to use shipping calculator, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in UPS calculate time and cost, then simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select origin and destination, countries or zip codes, then simply choose shipping date and enter weight and dimensions. Once done, simply click on continue and you'll see service options like ground, second day air, next day air, and international etc. with prices. The next is factor that cost of a cost, which is speed, distance, size, weight and additional services. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.